Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here to do a little unboxing and unbagging. So, yeah, I know it's been a while. Things have been a little busy around here. Oh, that stuck to my finger. What have I been doing? Well, I've been doing some cleaning out this week. I realized I have a lot of stuff. So what do? I have more stuff coming in. So, all right, let's go ahead with this. So I'm Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, if you don't know that. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll receive notification, sorry about that, when I upload new videos. So all the products here are Stampin' Up! So let's see what I got. I don't even remember. I live in Pennsylvania, so Stampin' Up! Is in Utah. And it takes a little while to get here sometimes. Although I thought that this one was kind of quick. So, yeah. So let's check it out. Now, if you don't know, we do have a clearance rack. So I picked up a few things on the clearance rack. I like to give little goodies away when I'm doing some of my Facebook Lives and that. Let me fix this lighting. But, so I picked up these colored doilies. They're actually on the clearance rack, which is a great thing. Everybody loves a bargain, right? Well, I do too. And then they had this ribbon, this All My Love ribbon combo. And there's nothing wrong with it. Actually, the colors are still available. We have a Flirty Flamingo and Real Red. So, I mean, Valentine's Day is coming up. So I can use those, you know. You can use them in classes or, you know, because it's still on the clearance rack, so they're still actually active, as are these doilies. And the doilies are, again, colored doilies. You get 24 of them, and they were really cheap. So, not that I want to be cheap with my giveaways, but, you know, I'm frugal. And I have a bunch of Tombow glues. I can't tell you why. It's a surprise. So, that's all I'm going to say. Can't tell you why. And I also picked up 2 stamp sets. This one here is a host set. Excuse me. Host set. It's called Holiday Haul. Oh, look how cute it is. My goodness. I don't know why I didn't pick this up sooner. But this is a host stamp set. So if you place an order of $150 or more, you may choose this as one of your items. So I just thought it was super cute. I'm not sure. Maybe a giveaway. Who knows? And then I picked this one up. I've been seeing a lot of samples with this. Actually, I wish I had it sooner because they were using these houses for Halloween time. I thought they were super cute. But it has wherever we wander, wherever we roam, at Christmas time our hearts come home. So that's so cute. Our hearts are next door, and then there's a merry and a happy and a Christmas, although our homes are miles apart. Neighbors, merry neighbors, happy neighbors, I guess is what you want to do that. So glad we're neighbors, from our house to yours. There's friends and family. It's a photopolymer stamp set. And I just thought it was, I just knocked over my Tombows. I just thought it was super cute. The Holiday Haul is also a photopolymer stamp set. Super cute, right? So that was in my bag. That was it. I'm getting excited because On Stage is next week already. It just seems like it was like so long that I've been waiting. Okay, well, I'm not going to bring the box under here. I got a different holder for my stand. I tried using my other tablet. I thought maybe that would work better because I didn't really think the quality was that great when I watched my videos, but oh well, it is what it is, right? So let's see what else I got. Placed just a small order. Just like you, I too am on a budget. So even though I'm a demonstrator and I get, you know, 25% off, I mean, it doesn't matter. So anyhow, this is the Christmas time. Christmas time is here. with the Christmas rose. It's a whole new bundle of products. I did not get everything from the bundle, but I did get the gold glitter enamel dots. And look at how pretty those are. Ooh. And of course, I got the gold shimmer ribbon. Yeah, I love that. I also got the Christmas Rose stamp set. Now, this is a limited time only. So, if it's something that you think you want to get, you may want to get on the horn right away. And I can't wait to start playing with it. Like I said, it just came today. So, been cleaning my stamp room up a little bit. Oh, it's a total disaster. So, this is interesting because it's 2 different stamps in this set. And this Christmas Rose set 1 of 2 is a photopolymer one. And oh, I love that Merry Christmas. Look at that Merry Christmas. Wishing you the gifts of the season, peace and joy. May this Christmas fill your heart with warmth and love. And that goes with this one, which is a cling mount set stamp. So, if you can get a visual, if you haven't seen this yet, you actually stamp this one. There are dies to go with it. There's designer series paper to go with it, but like I said, I'm budgeting here. And you would stamp this one, and then with this stamp set, you would color them in. So how fun is that? I can't wait to play. Okay. Then, now, I'm not a gold person. I'm more of a silver person. But they also have this charming rose bracelet. I am a jewelry person. Look at the beautiful box it comes in. So if you're looking to get somebody a gift, look at this. It's like kind of like the Alex and Ani bracelets. It's gold. And can you see it has a little rose on there. And it also has the Stampin' Up! Symbol on there. Look how pretty that is. Is there anything on the back of that? No. Just the rose on the front. But what a great gift that would be for Christmas, don't you think? Like I said, I'm more of a silver person, but if it's Stampin' Up!, hey, I'm in for that. How pretty is that? And that's a part of this whole Merry Christmas. Christmas is here. Christmas time is here. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm a little off kilter today. But yeah, so that's part of the bundle that I got. I got the stamps. I got the bracelet. I got the enamel dots and the ribbon. Then I couldn't stand it. I had to do it. Oops. This is the new paper trimmer. How am I on time? Oh, I got a lot of time. Okay. Here comes Dory. She's like, what, Mother? A paper trimmer. So I know all the controversy that's been going on with the old paper trimmer, which is now retired. I do have a stock up of blades for that, and I'll continue to use that as well. But here's the new one. Ooh. And we can leave it this way so we can look. Okay, so let's see. Now we do have, it's hard to look at it that way. We do have inches and metric. I have to get used to this. Let me look at it this way. So we do have the metric and the inches. We do have this arm that comes out. Ooh. And it goes all the way to 17.5 inches. Are you kidding me? Oh, look at that. And it swings really nicely. It feels, okay, so don't break it. It feels very light. It's a lot lighter. Now, the other one used to have that little clip there that you used to have to lock it in. This one does not. This kind of, when you push it down, it kind of sticks. Yeah, it does. Over here, on the right-hand side, the other one only went up to, was it 1 1/4? This goes to 1 1/2, and I love this because I use this over here on this side all the time. Okay, so it doesn't have that dopey track thing that rubber thing would fall out all the time. So that's nice. There's no worrying about replacement of that. We do have two blades. The scoring blade, which I would believe is the lighter color one, and the cutting blade is the dark one. I'm going to have to move those around because let me see how easy that is to pop out. Somebody said when they were tipping it over, the blades were popping right out. I'm not experiencing that. But I do want to take a blade out. I didn't see no direct. Oh, look, it comes out real easy. Okay, great. Okay, so let's look at this blade. Now, the previous blade, let me look real close with you. Look at the depth of that. The other blade we had on the other cutter was very small. This one is much larger and deeper. Now, oh, jeepers. So I want to put the scoring blade up there, my cutting blade here. Oh, and it pops right in. Okay, that's fabulous. Oh, it just glides along here like nobody's business. Let's get a piece of paper. Yep, I have cardstock. Okay, here's a piece of Whisper White. All right, now to lift the blade, you do have to lift it. Let me show you. You have to lift it down here because it has a lip on it. Otherwise, it's, you know, it's hard to lift. So grab that. It has a little whoop-de-doo in it to kind of help you lift it up. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Now, I did hear from other demos, and I believe Stampin' Up!, you don't want to press down because when you know, the other one we used to have to press down. This one you don't. You just go lightly because that will damage not only your blade, it will make your blade not last long. It will also damage the inside track there. So I have to get used to doing that. So I just have to get used to very lightly gliding that along. And, ooh, let's see. Let's do a little sliver. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Nice little sliver. Let's go with colored cardstock. That's always a problem. Not a problem, but it's a little different texture. So here we got a piece of real red. I really don't want to use a big piece like this. Let me use a smaller piece. Let me grab something here. My basket of scrappies is on the floor here. Okay, we got a piece of Coastal Cabana. How about that? Okay, so let's see. Go down. Ooh, real nice. Now, I wonder how many pieces we can cut at one time. Hey, why not, right? Okay. All right. I didn't want to press, but it did cut two. Let me try again. Okay, woo! It did it. Well, it didn't cut straight because I was crooked. But look at it, cut through two. I wouldn't really recommend that. Probably with the Whisper White or Very Vanilla, you probably could get away with it. But, yeah, I love it. I love it. And I like that it kind of locks into place. So, see, when after you use it, it kind of locks. So, see, you have to really go to lift it up because it kind of locks. Not like, you know, hard. It just locks. So, yeah. And it has this little notch here at the top. So if in your stamp room you have like a pegboard or something, you can hang it up on the wall. And because, you know, this here is locked into place, you won't have to worry about that. And it's so much lighter. Yeah, I don't know what else I could say about it. There's no storage on the back. So if you're wondering about that, it has a lot of nice little rubbery pieces for stability on your table so it doesn't slide when you're using it. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. Hey, Mikey. No. She likes it. Oh, I know, I'm silly. Way too much coffee. But, ooh, it just glides so nicely. So, definitely, they're now available that you guys can order. It's only $25. The blades, replacement blades will be available in January, but you're not going to need them till like after that because of the way the blades are. So anyhow, that's my haul. Thanks for joining me again. Go check out the cutter. Get yourself one. Let me know what you think of it. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and I will see you back here again real soon. Good night, and bye for now.